how to access iPhone Hidden Clipboard. So in here, I'm going to first of all open my notes, and in here, if I try to copy anything just like this, here you can see it will be shown in my clipboard one time only. Here, simply paste it down, and that's all I can do. If I want to see the copied option, I won't be able to see because it's not in my clipboard. So in order to get that, what you can do is go back and open your shortcuts application. Then from here, tap on Gallery. After doing that, in here, tap on the search bar and start typing Adjust Clipboard. Here you can see Adjust Clipboard right here. Simply tap on the plus icon right here and add it to your shortcut. Now it has been added to my shortcut. Now you can go back. Tap on a library, and here you can see Adjust Clipboard has been added to my shortcut. Now from here, I'm again going to go back, open my notes, and in here, I'm going to type something else now. Something like this. Now I'm going to copy it. And after copying it, like I said, you cannot see the clipboard on your keyboard, but if you go back and open your shortcut and then tap on Adjust Clipboard, run it, here you can see it has successfully been saved in right here. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.